In this video, we show how to make a business intelligence system work with a Sharemind secure computing platform. There are two great reasons for doing this. First, it makes secure computing easier to use. Second, it significantly improves the privacy guarantees of information systems that use business intelligence tools. This work was performed in the Horizon 2020 project SafeCloud by Cybernetica. Sharemind SQL is an experimental database and query system that performs all operations using secure multi-party computation, or MPC for short. To simplify, all data owners will encrypt their input records and upload them to Sharemind. Sharemind, that does not have the decryption key, will run queries on the encrypted databases without decrypting them and will get an encrypted result. This result can only be decrypted by an authorized data analyst. In our case, this analyst would be using a business intelligence tool for visualization and reporting. In the SafeCloud project, we showed how Sharemind SQL can be used with Knowage, a freely available business intelligence tool. We have already set up Knowage with a Sharemind data source. So we will now show how a dataset can be configured with Sharemind. The patient exam records dataset is a combination of three tables: the episode table, the exam ID table, and the episode exam table. This query here combines the three tables to form a joint analytical table that will help us solve our business question. Which are the most frequent examinations performed on patients when they go to a hospital? The table is set up with some artificial data, so not to worry, nothing private is actually used here. A typical business intelligence system will let me preview the records to see what kind of data I'm getting. However, when I click the button, the query will return no data. That's because Sharemind SQL has a whitelist of things that it can return and cannot return. In our case, Sharemind SQL will not return any raw records. Instead, we will have to create a query that aggregates the results in a way. This is exactly what we are doing now. I will start a query creation environment here, and the first example I will do is I will set up the data source again. There is a key point here which Sharemind requires. I select the same patient exam records table, but I will have to remove the use cache checkbox here. The reason is simple. Caches in business intelligence systems are also a source of potential privacy leakage. So we have to make the business intelligence system go directly to Sharemind for all its queries. Once this is done, I can start using different data visualization options. First, I will again try a simple table. This table will try to, one more time, get all the data out without any privacy. So I will select the exam ID and the examination name and use no aggregations. However, I still get no results. Now, to demonstrate that this can be a useful system still, I will create a chart where I will aggregate the results into a bar chart. I will count all occurrences of a particular exam. So I will have a top 10 table. For that, I will also sort results in a descending order. Once I save this query, I will rather quickly get a resulting graph where there is actual data showing me that on this artificial dataset, cholesterol triglyceride tests are the most frequent ones. I could go on and show further analysis on other databases and so on, because given that Sharemind SQL looks like a normal SQL database, then Knowage will be able to interact with it in many ways. However, this is all that we have time for today. For more information, look at the SafeCloud project and the Sharemind websites.